Let's check out the rest of the tools sent in from International Tool Industries. This brand's called FF Grip. A lot of people may not have heard of it. They're more advertised as a DIY tool range. But this is DIY with a difference, to be quite honest, and I mean a big difference. Let's get a wee look at them first. Grinder. Nothing to scream and shout about. First impressions. They're a basic tool. They're advertised more DIY. But just because they look basic doesn't mean they are. If you check out FF Grip, check out their catalogue and their range of stuff. FF Grip do loads of tools. I mean loads. They do everything from power washers to generators to cordless tools to hammers to SDS drills. They do everything. Now, I don't need to scream and shout too much about them, because the reason why I like FF Grip tools is the same reason as everybody else. Anyone that's using them is abusing them, and they're taking it. Simple as. Decent machine, 900 watt motor. Slide switch, locks on, quick release guard, lock for the head. Same as any grinder. Unlike a normal cheap grinder, soft start on it. That's when the differences start to come in. FF Grip 20 volt Pro drill. Wee small charger. Decent sized drill. Blow molded case. 2 amp 20 volt or 18 volt slide on lithium battery. And this is actually quite a heavy duty brushless cordless drill. Metal gearbox, metal chuck, brushless motor, 2 speeds, 3 mode combi drill with a clutch, drill mode and hammer mode. So, why these? Why FF Grip? Why take these on? I get asked through lots of tool review videos by lots of different brands. Generally I just turn them all down. Some of them I take in. If it's interesting, I'll have a wee look. Something I'm familiar with, I'll have a wee look. If it's something worth shouting about, I'll show it off. What's worth shouting about these here? Not these 2 particular ones, but the brand. FF Grip. Like I say, they have a massive range of stuff. Check out the catalogue. Loads of tools. What sets them aside? Generally, price. Very cheap to buy. Repairable, for another thing. Readily available now. Loads of places are actually starting to sell these because they're getting very popular. Performance does everything. They do everything you want them to do. And reliability, which is the main one. While other places are copping on to how reliable these things actually are for the price you're getting them for. The main one being hire shops. FF Grip do hammers as well. Chipping hammers, breaking hammers, big ones, small. If you go into hire shops now, you'll be starting to see FF Grip on hire. Because the power of them, the performance and the reliability is there for a hire shop. If a hire shop is buying them because they're reliable and they're making money, they're worth buying. They may be cheap, they may feel basic, but they do the work and they last the time and you get your money's worth out of them. Because hire shops do not buy machines they're not going to get their money out of. They have to make decent profit before they dump the machine after it's worn out. They're starting to buy in FF Grip hammers and drills instead of the bigger brands because they're getting more bang for their buck. And if they can make more money out of the tools, you can make more money out of the tools. These here, not to be scoffed at, decent quality tools, to be quite honest. Like I say, for a lot of their tools, repairable, which is another big plus for a hire shop. They're not going to take something in like a breaker for a cheap price to hire out, break a switch or something, just for them to dump. Buy them in because they can get the parts for them, keep them running, get more money out of them, same as anyone else. If you're looking for tools, lads, and you just don't want to spend big money on them, check out FF Grip. For the DIYer especially, the likes of a professional, if you're only needing a certain tool every once in a while, like the likes of a generator, a hammer, a grinder, check out FF Grip. Do the job, and they're there when you need them. Even grinders. This is their yellow range. This is DIY. 900 watt grinder. They actually have a black range as well, which is actually as their professional range. Comes with a 1-year warranty for professional hard use. These yellow ones come with a 3-year warranty for normal everyday use. Definitely one, lads, to keep an eye on. International Tooling might have sent them in just to give them a wee show off, but I already know, lads, these are ones to be looking at, especially the likes of the big hammers and breakers, SDS drills. If you're needing a tool and you're going to be abusing the hell out of it, like a drill for things you're not meant to be doing, or a grinder that you're going to be using for dog's abuse, check them out. Thing's going to do a hell of a lot of work. Powerful motor, and it's not going to break the bank. Check them out, lads. FF Grip.